Hey there, welcome to Froothie TV. If you're new here, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel and follow Froothie and the boy who blends on Instagram. Today I have a special guest hosting with me, using her Optimum G2.6 for around a year now and obtaining A+ results every time she hits blend. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Karine. Hello Karine and welcome to my kitchen.
Hi Rayan, hello guys. I'm so happy to be here today.
We are so happy as well. Today we're going to be preparing some delicious beef quesadillas together using the Optimum Beast, the G2.6.
It's truly a beast. Perfect blending, amazing texture and majestic results. Froothie blenders help you easily create smoothies, soups, sorbet and much more in just a few seconds. So today, we're going to be preparing some appetizing quesadillas along with red salsa, guacamole dip and sour cream.
To start with, let's cut the meat into medium cubes to grind them in the G2.6.
Now we're going to add to the ground beef some salt and some taco spices. And we are going to pulse a few times.
We've obtained perfect ground beef now. I'll be cooking it on low fire for around 15 minutes. Meanwhile, Karine will be preparing the spicy red salsa with Elianor and you guys. Karine, the G2.6 is all yours now.
Thank you Rayan. So while Rayan is cooking the ground beef, I'm gonna be here preparing the red salsa along with Elianor, who's super excited to try the Optimum G2.6 with us. Hi Elianor!
Hi dear, hi
welcome. Guys. So for the red salsa, we are in need of some fresh and pureed tomatoes, green and red pepper, red onion, some fresh cilantro, a pinch of Himalayan salt, and some fajita or taco spices. They're all in here. The sauce is very easy to prepare. As we need it to be really smooth, just add all the ingredients to the jug set at one time and hit the sauce button. On a high speed for 60 seconds, your blender is able to prepare the salsa in the best texture you need. You're gonna see how yummy it's gonna be, really delightful. Are you ready to try the sauce with me? The red salsa? That's absolutely delicious.
And I am back. I see you've prepared the salsa. Yum! It looks delicious. And the beef is perfectly cooked now. Let's mix them together and leave them on the side for now.
Leave your comments below and we are more than happy to reply to all your questions. Next, we will be preparing the guacamole dip.
For that, we are in need of some avocados, tomatoes, cilantro, red onions, and some lime juice. Just throw them all in the G2.6 and pulse for 5 to 6 times. That's it, the perfect texture and taste in less than 1 minute.
And finally, for the sour cream, let's blend 2 cups of fresh cream, a tablespoon of lemon juice with a drop of vinegar on high speed. Let's hit blend. Let's hit blend!
So now we have prepared the beef, the red sauce, the guacamole, and the sour cream.
Let's spread them on the quesadilla bread with some chili pepper and cheddar cheese and put them in the oven to melt the cheese. All set and ready to serve now.
With the help of the beautiful Karine and the beautiful Elianor, today we have prepared some juicy and tasty quesadillas. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to follow me on The Boy Who Blends on Instagram. And until then, keep on blending and see you in the next video. Thank you guys. Bye bye.